Now, we have to rebuild your life. Yes, rebuilding the life. The fundamentals of your life. And yeah, let me help clean your eye. Okay. Oops. What did I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale. Smell that. It helps you. That's energy healing spray. A lot of you have sent me the essential oils, and they are much more powerful. Rose, cedarwood, lavender, sandalwood, cedarwood. There's another one. And we have lavender, jasmine, sandalwood, cedarwood. There's so many. But listen, that'll help you feel good, feel better. We don't need fire. We don't need flames. We don't need candles. Okay? We need to help heal you. You need to feel the energy floating through your ears. Seeing visual in my vocal. You hear it. You feel the energy. So you feel to get healed. I want you to feel healing inside. I want you to feel strong inside. I want you to feel it. Do you feel it? Good. You feel the healing inside. You feel the energy inside of you. You can do it. Now, let's rebuild that life. Start the fundamentals. You ready? Open up the barriers of life. We've gone through the door. You move forward. Now, let's rebuild your life. That's it. Let's take out any negativity, any bad energy that's in your life right now. Remember, when people say negative things towards you, or people talk negatively around you, not at you, it's still going to pick it up. It's going to absorb your body. And when people come to you for help and they drain your energy, like that too. You got to rebuild your life. You got to rebuild your energy. We have sessions for that. And you just stay tuned for that. And always, if you're new to the channel, click on subscribe. Click on the notification. If a lot of you have subscribed and you haven't clicked on the notification, and you say, hey, I didn't know you had a new video session out. That's why you have to click on the notification bell. It lets you know. You might be watching, you might have YouTube Premium, and you're watching me on your big screen, your Google TV, your Android TV, your Roku, whatever it is you got. Or your, whatever, I think the other one's what? It's not an OS, but anyway, whatever you got. Your Apple TV, whatever you got, Android, Google, the whole thing. Whatever you got, Windows, however you watch, man, your cell phone, tablet. If you'd like to know when another session pops up, it'll pop right up in front of your screen. He say, hey, great, I got another session. Yeah, because you want to feel good. Look at that, getting the tingles just talking about that. That's the energy inside of me. It flows. It helps you. Because we're working on rebuilding your life. The foundation. Build your life from the bottom right up. Take that energy right up. Take that energy of that light right up into your crown. Take a deep breath. When you do that, always take a deep breath. Get that life force energy inside of you. Bring it inside of you. We have a member, we have someone who sent these. Well, I got I got this. This is Archangel Michael. I saw it, I'll get it. It's good. They have one of these pendants. And this is the IRA. One of the members out there got me this. It's good. For those of you who can use your third eye to see, that's good for us. Yeah. But it's good. We'll have sessions doing that. The third eye. That's psychic sessions. We'll have those. But right now, I'm helping you rebuild your life. Rebuild the fundamentals of your life. Take a deep breath. and say, I want to rebuild my life right now. Say it. I want to rebuild my life right now. I want everything, all the barriers to be gone. And I want to move forward. And I want to rebuild my life. And that's what we're doing. 3 lives sessions. That's 30 minutes of life healing you. Okay? I give you an hour worth of sessions. I break it down to different levels. Have to. Can't just do one and got to break it down. You'll get 3 more today. Right now, these will go out and you get the feeling and the healing. I want to rebuild. I'm sending you the light of healing. I want to rebuild your life. To rebuild your life. You got to rebuild it. Start off fresh. You know? Start off fresh. New goals, new ideas, new thinking. Actually, open up that crown chakra. Open up your heart. Rebuilding that heart. All your solar plexus and sacra and the root. All the chakras. Even the 6 in the back. Everything's working together to make you feel strong. Boost your energy, energetic energy. Boost yourself. Feel that energy go back inside of you. You got to feel that energy. You got to feel that energy inside of you. Tiger eye protects you. Lucky crystal, too. This is in its raw state, see? Amethyst, not a powerful crystal, very powerful. This is in its raw state. See? There it is. To help you heal. Good for the third eye. Good for the crown. Yeah, that's good. Very powerful crystal. You have citrine as well. And black turmeric is here too. Everything is here to help you feel good about yourself. I send you the light of healing to move forward in your life. You want to move forward in your life and build your life and remove those barriers. That's why we do these 3 sessions. And then rebuild your life is what we're working on now. Rebuild your life. Build your life. Sort of fresh. Feel that energy inside of you. Frequency healing. Healing you with sound. Rebuilding your life from the ground up. Listen to it. Take a deep breath. rose quartz, emotional crystal. But we're not using that right now because we're working on rebuilding your life. You're making your life strong. Making all you are strong again. Make you boost your energy too so you can live your life. Get all that bad energy off of you so you can move on in your life. Feel good about yourself. Feel energetic. Feel yourself again. Come alive. Come alive. Come alive. I'm alive again. Okay. Yeah. I'm here to help you. I want to start early. This is early. It's it's 6. I've been at this since all morning. All early morning at night. Well, it's better for me. It's it's much more powerful. Not all the time we do this. We do it at regular times. But those of you experiencing heat, I send you cooling mist. Think of it. Watch this. I send you a cooling mist. Cooling mist to you. Cooling mist. Think of this. Think of the cooling mist touching your skin, touching your face, keeping you cool. Okay? Feel good about yourself. Feel healed. I send you the light to rebuild your life. I send you the light. I send you the healing light to rebuild your life. Keep saying that. Rebuild your life. Rebuild your life. Rebuild your life. Get up, and now you're free. The barriers are gone. You move forward. You open up that door, and you've gone through it, and you're rebuilding your life now. Good luck with your life. Watch these sessions over and over again. Okay? And you haven't done so, welcome to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and if you want to help out, you can check out the wish list for the channel. We have new things on there. Yeah, that's Amazon. Or if you want to, you can join and become a channel member. Okay, and you see them in the front on the main screen. Yeah, avatar. You see yourself pop up. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Members, thank you. Subscribers, menu. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're going to 9,000. Okay. That's the next goal. And after that, 10. And keep on going. But in the meantime, we're healing you. You're getting healed every day. I do more than one session because you need it. Plus, it makes me feel good too. And I do as much as I can. You know, sometimes I give you a lot. You never know. Hey, but it's all to help you, okay? Thank you for watching these sessions on life building, life protection, life freedom. That's what we did. All right?